This is the Ocean Edition. Lovely two-colour blue and white, sparkling white wheels. Very cool.
5 meters long and just over 2 meters wide. It's not as small as the original Kombi. It's certainly packs a powerful punch with a 2-litre torquey TDI diesel engine and 4-motion all-wheel drive.
As most people know, this is the infotainment system. You've got navigation, pretty good for going around New Zealand, applications or apps, menu, radio, etc, etc. But all the fun stuff is up here. Clicking through, you've got your pop-up roof, you've got an auxiliary heater, the refrigerator box. There are quite literally cubby holes everywhere. Everywhere. The kitchen sink. You've got chairs in the back. Just in there. LPG storage. Right under here. More storage under here. More storage over there. There's even up here into the door. You've got a table. Homemade cooked meal. Still possible. Spag bowl. Not bad. Sleepy time.
She's a comfortable drive on the road. The suspension's really quite soft and lovely, and also adaptive cruise control even. So makes for an easy drive on the long runs. The Volkswagen California really is a go anywhere, stay anywhere modern version of the Kombi. It's awesome.
So there you have it, the California from Volkswagen. Hope you enjoyed the fun, and look forward to catching up with you next time. Make sure you subscribe. It's somewhere, I think it's there actually, but you never know. And look forward to the next adventure. See you.